Hi. So for the third app in the Lab4, uh, first I've done really bad on the version 1 of this application. I was overwhelmed. Then I really followed up with you when you said take step by step. Don't just do everything and try to test it and run it. Do version 1 and 2, 3, 4. So with the first one, I didn't do well. I needed time, as you said, to digest a little bit of the information. Was overwhelmed. So what I did with this is just read more about it. I tried to connect the layout with the classes, and that's what I got. It's really simple, but the trick and all the deals is how to create the layouts. Then could try to connect them to the classes. So here's how the app is working. Just take a second. For tan is showing the information: black, blue, brown, gold. Orange, pink, red, white, and yellow. And here's the code and the layout. So simply it's just passing passing data between two layouts and between the layout and the classes. So what I've done is just added more classes, the dummy data and the information activity with the information fragment, and try to figure out how to connect them all together. Thank you.